Oh, hey there. So we are back with OneDrive API. So now I'm going to show you how to create a folder inside your drive as well as a folder. So here is my drive. So there is an option called new folder. So I'll click on it. So now you can give the name of the folder that you want to create. I'll give as folder 1. Then I'll click on create. And now I'll refresh. So after refreshing, you can see there is this folder created here and it has 0 items. So if I click on this folder, so in this folder 1, as you can see, there are no items present here. So if I click on new folder again, and I'll name it as child folder. If I click on create, then I'll refresh. So after refresh, if I click on folder 1 again, you'll see this child folder present here. So I have created a folder inside the root drive as well as a parent folder. So now I'll go to the demo design. So here in workflow, I'll show you how I'm creating the folder. So here is the workflow where there is a API called add folder in root drive. This is where the root drive is present, which is the my files. This is the root drive. So here it needs the drive ID. So drive ID, I'm getting it from a API called get drive, where it needs the access token. Then you can get the ID of that drive, then the access token, and then the folder name. So this is the folder name that we gave in the pop-up. Then it's the another workflow which has a API called add folder within folder. So in here it asks for drive ID again, which is the get drive API, then the folder ID. So the folder ID is the ID of the folder 1 that we created here. So inside there is this folder. So you need to get the ID of the parent folder, then the access token and the name of the folder. So here you can see that after clicking on this folder 1, I can see the details of the folders inside the parent folder. So I'll show you how I'm doing that. So in here there is a repeating group where we are using this API called get folder children, where it needs the ID of the folder, which is this folder 1, and the access token. And from there it will fetch all the items that is present in that folder. So yeah, this is how you create a folder inside the root drive and the parent folder. Thank you.